Hello from Slovenia again. I will just pour over this cabbage spiral dip that was so awful. And I will do a reverse spiral dip today. I will not bother about my edges while I'm doing this because I can do it later, so I will just spread paint on top. Or maybe I have enough paint to spread it over the edges too. I will see. But for the reverse dips you have to have more paint on surface than for normal flower dips, because you pull some paint off when you place your saran wrap on top. So I have a messy table because I am playing with these spiral dips today. They are reverse spiral dips on my menu, so let's see what we can get. And I will use some violets and golds today, and magenta. Sorry, I forget about my magenta. So, and today I will do my outside line like this. I will not do straight one, and I will see what will happen. And gold, I hope that I have a little of this Blizzarian violet left just for this dip, please. Have to mix it because it's almost empty. And I have some lilac, and it's and I have a blob. And see, I just can't get it out. I hope that I did. Yes. And now I just have a blob there that I don't like. You see? This is not okay, but now it is what it is. And magenta. We'll just try to go on the top. And I have some metallic purple. I think that this will not be nice one. I will just go with this Windsor violet on the top of it, because I just think I should. I don't know if this was a good idea, but now it is what it is. I will just cut my saran wrap. I hope that I have enough. I have. And I will just gently go in this spiral shape around. And this is it. I will not press too hard, because I hope that I will not lose all the pattern of this spiral, and I already did. So it isn't helped that because I lose the spiral shape completely, you see? So I have enough paint here, so maybe I will just pour some white around, and I will try to stretch this a little bit and see what we will get. But I think that my paint is too thick, so let's see which way we want to go. Maybe this way first. I just think that my paint will split I don't know why, but I just think that it would, because it's so thick. So maybe this is not a good idea. So I will just leave this like it is. Just want to bring this part a little more here, and now I will leave it. Or just have to and do something with this blob here. Better, I think. And this is something that I don't want to have. Okay. I don't like it, but I tried. I think that my white is too thick. Oops. Let's see the close-up. Get some beautiful lacing, but I think that my white is just too thick for this kind of painting, and my outside line with curly outside line didn't work okay. Or maybe I should leave it, I don't know, like it was before. So This is it for today, another experiment, and see you on the next one. Bye!